Hello friends, this is Ashutosh from mindtool.com. In the very first tutorial of HTML, we are going to learn about some basic concepts of HTML. So, to start with HTML, first we need a basic editor. You can edit your HTML files in Notepad, uh, or I prefer Notepad++. So I'm going to show you how download from where to download Notepad++. So type in Google Notepad++ and press enter. Click on the first link, and here you can see the download option. So click on this option and click on this download box. So I already have the Notepad++, so I'm going to cancel this and I'm going back to Notepad++. So first we start with HTML, our first HTML tutorial. So let's start with doc type HTML. Doc type HTML. So what is first question is what is doc type HTML? Doc type HTML is, remember this thing, doc type HTML, not HTML tag. Doc type HTML is only to declare the HTML version of your HTML you are using. Means your browser only can understand uh, your version you are using of HTML from this doc type HTML. So if you type this doc type HTML, so it means you are using HTML5 because this is the declaration in HTML5. So let's start with our first HTML tag. Our first HTML tag is HTML tag. So HTML, and each tag in HTML close with uh, forward slash. So close this tag, and each tag in HTML will go uh, inside this HTML means opening HTML opening tag and closing of HTML tag. So first we create HTML tag, and then second tag is body, and close with a forward slash, close with a forward slash, and then if you want to test something in your browser, then type something inside this body, inside these two body tags, opening body tag and closing body tag. So this is body, and first I'm going to save this document, and I'm going to run this document in Chrome. Now you can see this is body, means this is your HTML document, and this is the body of your HTML document. So I'm going back to Notepad++, and first we talk about our first HTML heading. There are 6 types of HTML headings, from H1 to H2, from H1 to S6. So first we create our first heading H1 and write something in heading H1. This is H1 and close with a forward slash. Now we save this document and again uh, launch in Chrome. Then we can see here this is heading, means this is H1. So again go to Notepad++, and I'm going to copy this, copy, and I'm going to paste, and I'm going to change these headings H1 to H2. So this is our head. Now this is heading H2. This is our heading H1, and this is our heading H2. So what is the basic difference between heading H1 and H2? The basic difference between heading H1 and H2 is the smaller size, then h1. So to test this, check it out. So refresh your browser, and here you can see the difference between heading h1 and h2. When you create heading h3 and heading h4, h5 and h6, so the size keep going decrease, and you can see the difference from creating all heading h1 to h6. Means heading h1 has the biggest size and heading h6 has the smallest size in headings. So this is the tutorial about HTML headings. In the next tutorial I am going to show you, or we are going to learn about HTML paragraphs, or how to create paragraphs in HTML. So thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to check out my website www.mindtobook.com. Thank you guys.